Hands really numb in the night, dancing under neon lights, with a bottle of old rum, chasing all our worries gone. In the streets we feel so free, flowing like the river sea, laughter echoing through town, never let us feeling down. Oh, Henry Winter feels so wild, you bring out the inner child. With your running crazy ways, you light up our darkest days. So it's pounding through the air, joy and fun everywhere. Henry's spirit lifts us high, reaching for the starry sky. We dance till the morning sun, in this world we're never done. Henry's laughter's all around, in this life we're truly found. Every sip our worries fade, in this night we've truly made memories of endless joy, celebrating every ploy. Oh, Henry Winter feels so wild, you bring out the inner child. With your running crazy ways, you light up our darkest days. Heartbeats pounding through the air, joy and fun everywhere. Henry's spirit lifts us high, reaching for the starry sky. We dance till the morning sun, in this world we're never done. Henry's laughter is all around, in this life we're truly found. Dance till the morning sun. You bring out the inner child, with your running crazy ways, you light up our darkest days. Starbeats coming through the air, joy and fun everywhere. Henry's spirit lifts us high, reaching for the starry sky. We dance till the morning sun, in this world we're never done. Henry's laughter is all around, in this life we're truly found. We dance till the morning sun, this world we're never done, this world we're never done. Henry's laughter is all around, in this life we're truly found. We dance to the morning sun, in this world we're never done. Henry's on, Henry's laughter is all around, in this life we're truly found. We dance to the morning sun.
Are flashing bright, feel alive all night. Music takes control, let the rhythm roll. Feet are moving fast, good times here at last. Hands up in the air, love is everywhere. Dance away the night, lose yourself in light. Heartbeat to the sound, never Stars fill the sky, time is racing by, smiles in every eye, no need to ask why. Dance away the night, lose yourself in light, feeling light, dance and let it be. We are wild and free. Waves crashing on the shore, whispers of the tide. I'm drifting on the highway with the ocean by my side. The road stretches out like a ribbon through the sand, chasing distant horizons with the wheel in my hand. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Sunset paint the skyline as I drop beneath the stars. Every turn and every wave, they carry me afar. Salt in the air and the wind in my hair, road and ocean blend together without a single care. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Every mile tells a story untold, from the deep blue sea to the past that unfold. I found my freedom where the horizon lies, with the road as my compass and the sea as my guide. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. I'll keep on rolling with the sea in my view, chasing endless sunsets in the morning dew. The road and the ocean, they lead me home. In this boundless adventure, I'm never alone. So I'll keep on rolling with the sea in my view, chasing endless sunsets and the morning's dew. The road and the ocean, they lead me home. In this boundless adventure, I'm never alone. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt flow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. So I'll keep on rolling with the sea in my view, chasing endless sunsets and the morning's dew. The road and the ocean, they lead me home. In this boundless adventure, I'm never alone.
Waves crashing on the shore, whispers of the tide. I'm drifting on the highway with the ocean by my side. The road stretches out like a ribbon through the sand, chasing distant horizons with the wheel in my hand. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Sunsets paint the skyline as I drive beneath the stars. Every turn and every wave, they carry me afar. Salt in the air and the wind in my hair, rolling ocean blend together without a single care. Ooh. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. Every mile tells a story untold. From the deep blue sea to the paths that unfold. I find my freedom where the horizon lies, with the road as my compass and the sea as my guide. Oh, the sea and the road, they call my name. Two endless journeys, both wild and untamed. From the rolling waves to the asphalt's glow, I'm lost in the rhythm where the sea meets the road. So I'll keep on rolling with the sea in my view, chasing endless sunsets and the mornings through. The road and the ocean, they lead me home. In this boundless adventure, I'm never alone. Stars are shining bright above, electric pulse that we all love. Feel the beat, it's in our veins. Dance away all the pain. Guitar screams a sound that's real, piano chords that make us feel. Violin sings a soulful tune, banjo under the midnight moon. Hands up high, we touch the sky. Heart beats loud as we fly by. Rhythms blend and come alive in this place where we thrive. Drums and bass, they shake the floor. Harmonica calls us for more. Flute whispers a sweet delight. Organ plays into the night. Rock and roll in every beat, EDM that moves our feet. Voices join in harmony, lost in this sweet symphony. Hands up high, we touch the sky. Heart beats loud as we fly by. Rhythms blend and come alive in this place where we thrive. playing with a heart that won't refrain. Guitar screaming in the night. We got the world in our sight. Play that bass so loud, feel it rising from the crowd. Piano keys, they start to dance. Let that music take a chance. Rock and roll, we're alive. Feel the beat, we'll thrive. When the organ tries to tune, we are dancing to the moon. Through the whispers in between, like a dream seen unseen. Banjo strumming fast and tight. Harmonica in the light. In this moment we are free. Every note is our decree. Violin will lead the way through the night and into day. Rock and roll, we're alive. Feel the beat, we'll thrive. When the organ joins the tune, we are dancing to the moon. Oh yeah, yeah. In this moment we are free. Every note is our decree. Violin will lead the way through the night and into day. Rock and roll, we're alive. Feel the beat, we'll thrive. When the organ joins the tune, we are dancing to the moon. Through the moon, rock and roll, we're alive. Feel the beat, we'll thrive. When the organ joins the tune, we are dancing to the moon. We are dancing to the moon. We are dancing to the moon.
The skies turn black, the wind scream loud. Yagis rage in the stormy shroud. Waves crash high, the thunder rolls. No mercy here for a shattered soul. Rain's pouring down like a wild river's cry. Lightning strikes in the midnight sky. Hold on tight, there's no way out. Yagi's here, no room for doubt. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing's safe from this storm's disease. Yagi roars, leaving nothing still. Crushing dreams and bending will. The seas rise up, devouring land. Nature's power at Yagi's command. Silent streets now washed away by Yagi's wrath, no one can stay. Tides are pulling, ships astray. In her path there's no delay. Every breath is full of fear as Yagi whispers, I'm still here. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing's safe from this storm's disease. Yagi roars, leaving nothing still. Crushing dreams and bending will. When the morning breaks and the storm is gone, we'll see the wreckage Yagi's left upon. But we'll rebuild, we'll find our way through the shadows of yesterday. Yagi's fury tearing through the night. Winds of chaos drowning all the light. Breaking hearts and shaking trees. Nothing's safe from this storm's disease. Yagi roars, leaving nothing still. But we stand tall, unbroken still. The seas rise up, devouring land. Nature's power at Yagi's command. Silent streets now washed away by Yagi's wrath, no one can stay.
feeling sad today, need to laugh my way. Jokes to save the day, chase the gloom away. Dancing in my room, jumping like a loon. Sing a silly tune, wipe away the gloom. Tickle my blues away, turn my night to day. Make the worries sway, let's laugh and play. Cartoons on the screen, laugh at every scene. World so bright and clean, funniest you've seen. Tickle my blues away, turn my night to day. Just to save the day, let's laugh and play. Cartoons on the screen, laugh at every scene. World so bright and clean, funniest you've seen. Tickle my